It's an excellent practice for sensitivity, sexuality, sensuality, and feeling alive in every cell of your body. We're talking about de-armouring today. What a beautiful, healing, profound, effective practice. It can be done solo when a woman does it to herself, or it can be performed from a male partner to his woman. It will only deepen your intimacy. So what is armor? Armor, in the old definition, is a metallic coverage to protect a body of a soldier in the battle. Bringing this to our topic, when a woman feels unsafe for a very long time, she'll try to protect it with a physiological tension that often shows up in our genitalia. So the unsafety that she experiences can be external, true physiological and psychological danger, or internal, limiting beliefs, right? For example, like religious beliefs. Sex is something that is natural, but if I let go and be wild, I will be stoned to death. Therefore, I can't go there, right? Or a heartbreak. You open yourself completely during orgasm, during sex to your partner, and your partner leaves you or abandons you. You experience betrayal. So you build this psychological shield in the form of physiological tension that appears in our vulva or inside of the vagina. So de-armouring is a slow, mindful healing modality, a sort of cleanse on somatic, psychological, mental, emotional, and spiritual levels. De-armouring is about identifying those places that holds tension and releasing them. So all these signs mean that de-armouring can be a very supportive practice to you. De-armouring can also be as a generalized tonic and an increased sensitivity, connection, and blood flow to the area. So let's jump right into how you do it. It's a fairly simple practice. Number one, please set up your space. Make it beautiful and make it clean. Get rid of the clutter. I personally like when the bedroom just has the bed, right? The bed and a plant, or like you don't need all of those things in your bedroom, and especially electric devices. If you can, please put the TVs and phones away from your bedroom, right? So the only frequency is vibrating is your frequency and your partner's. If you need to have a device to play your music, and if you wish to have the music, of course you can do that. Bring flowers, make the room the right temperature, maybe some scent, maybe flowers, make it beautiful and make it clean. These sessions can last for a long time, so make sure for a given partner to have a supportive environment, because it can be very hard to sit in a certain position. So if you have a back problem, make sure you place your body so you can hold that position for quite a while, right? So if you need to sit on the chair, or if you're sitting on the bed, just make sure that you can withhold that position for whatever time is needed. So the receiving partner, a woman lying on the bed, and a male partner sits right at the edge, right at where her opening is. Start with the body warm up. Never go to woman's vulva pussy right away. So start with strokes, maybe a stroke in your hair, maybe face, right, maybe forehead, to calm her nervous system down, to let her know that she's safe. And then start with a breast and pussy massage, or rather continue with breast and pussy massage. And I will leave you the link where you can download a free step-by-step guide how to do it. So you will start with her stomach stroking, then massaging her breasts, and then slowly, as much as she needs, take your time, and then slowly you go into the area of her vulva. You start massaging the inner thighs, then you massage her vulva. There are different strokes. You will find it in the guide, what are the strokes and how to do it. And then you will start the pussy massage. When the woman is relaxed, when her vulva is ready and open, when she's relaxed, and make sure that she feels safe. Communication, feedback. Feel safe to ask her questions, and for the receiver, for a woman, always give feedback and always tell exactly what you're feeling without being worried what your partner is going to feel. If you feel uncomfortable, he needs to know that. It doesn't mean you have to stop. Let the discomfort be there. but keep relaxing, trying to send signals to your body to relax and trust the partner. So now we're going to start our de-armoring process. When the woman feels safe, relaxed, when her vulva is open, you can use a crystal dildo or a glass dildo or your partner's fingers. So this is vulva, 12 o'clock. You're going to press at the orifice of the vagina at the 12 o'clock, right? At the 1:30, at 3 o'clock, 4:30, 6, 7:30, 9, 11:30. You're going to examine the orifice of the vulva, right? And whenever she feels tension, that's when you have to press, gently press, and stay there. And stay there and keep pulsating on that area, or simply be still and just hold. And for the receiving end, feel the pain, breathe into the pain. The giver, a man, encourage your partner to breathe in into that pain and express it through sound and through movement. When the pain dissipates, let go and find another location where she feels tense. Then after that, you go inside of the vagina, and the same way, you examine every spot, right, in her vagina around, and whenever the tense spot shows up, you hold it there. And then you go on, and then you reach the cervix eventually, and you also go around the cervix area. For many women, cervix are either very painful or completely numb. I would say, I think numb more than painful, where they actually feel nothing. So you do the same thing. You simply you caress it, and then you press around the cervix. It can take time, and it should take time. It's a very mindful, slow, remember, slow healing modality. So for the receiver, there's this concept, self-regulating. Whenever you feel triggered, re-traumatized, when you feel like I want to run away, it's all okay. If you want to run away, you can run away. And also for the giver, if your partner feels like fleeing, that's a trauma response. Fleeing, fighting, freezing, fawning, then it has to be safe for your partner to do any of those things. Of course, we're not talking about fighting, kicking, no, but fleeing the room, screaming, maybe pushing away. So also for the receiver, it's important to learn how to self-regulate, not to quite go there, but to know how to catch that moment and just keep breathing, slow down, and just stay with those sensations, right? Everything that's happening is for a reason, and this is how you heal. We don't bypass, we don't run away, we go inside of the pain, both physical and emotional. The only way out is through. This is the most liberating, empowering healing modalities to do on a regular basis. And if you do it with a container of a couple, it's also an opportunity to deepen your intimacy. How beautiful is that? It's an excellent practice for sensitivity, sexuality, sensuality, and feeling alive in every cell of your body. And of course, healing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Your pussy and breast massage is in the description below. You'll find the link, and please share it with anyone who can benefit from it. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. My name is Katyusha, and I will see you shortly. Bye.